Hello, so I'm gonna try to take this in one shot. Um, my name is Quit, and I am creating a simple app uh, for vendors, primarily Pokemon card vendors, because I like watching a lot of vendor POV videos, and I thought it would be cool to create something fun. I don't know whether there's a market for it. I do not know if it is going to work. I just want to build because it's fun to build. Cool. So the app is quite simple, or the website is quite simple. Essentially, want to be able to create QR codes, which can be added on any of the products, like take a printout and then stick the QR code in the product, and then during the show they can quickly scan the QR code to know what price they purchased it, what is the price that they put on there, so that when they're negotiating it's easier. Cool. So initially tried it with QR code, and that was a bit of a shit show because the video, the camera settings did not allow for that, and it wasn't great. So yes, I was building it on Replit. Just to be clear, again, vibe coding is the big, buzzword right now. So using Replit to build this out. Tried a lot of different things with the QR code solution, but didn't work out. So moved from QR code to barcode. And yeah, so that came out pretty nicely. And let me quickly demonstrate how it looks. So this is the site. So I'm just gonna first show with a demo account what you can do. So what to do, and so you can add your item name. So it can be Charizard Max PSA 10, and you put the selling price is 500, but you purchased it at what, $300, and then you can generate a random value for the barcode, or you can name it, for example, Charizard, and you can generate the barcode. Pretty cool, right? And then you can download it. So once downloaded, it will be a PNG file you can use, or you can click print, which doesn't seem to be working right now. But anyway, that's fine. And then you can see a list of barcodes that you have created. So you have Charchard, Charpando, Charchard, which is the latest one. And let me show you how quickly it works. So we have this camera settings. Before I do that, let me pause for 1 second. So I'm back. Just took a few seconds to actually get the barcode into my phone so that we can see how it looks. So you can scan the code. There you go. And then you can add the item. So essentially the idea is that you can add multiple items, and then you can see, like, in total how many items you want to sell, how much is total value that you put up, how much is the total cost. So if you want to give a discount for somebody, it's easier to do that. And you can remove things. So once you remove, it's gone. So again, you get an idea of, like, how many things you want to add and stuff. So let's see. Let's try one more time. So let's try the chart. Yeah, there you go. Add that. Let's try Trapando. So you can add multiple items. So we can add, yeah. So here you can see, like, total sell value, total cost, all this kind of stuff, and then and then you can give a better price to the people who are trying to buy from you. So that you put the sticker price at 600. Maybe you're comfortable doing 550 because your total cost was only 320. Again, easy to access information at the shows, and yeah, and then you can also see all the barcodes and stuff that you have created. So what you can do, or it's supposed to have an option to click complete, but looks like that's gone now. But either way, you can go here and you can see, like, the active items, which is essentially products which are still with you, and you can put in the sold items, and then in the sold items, you can see it as sold listed. You can search different things, chart, and then you can search for items and stuff like that as easily as well. It's super easy creating an account. Oh, the fun part is, like, let's say you create a new account, so test account 1, and then the password is whatever. And then you register. Okay. And then let's say you try to scan the QR, the barcode of another vendor in the previous case, like my account. If you try to do that, it'll say unknown product and you can't scan. So all your products are safe and none. Well, this is a mistake. I need to fix that. Essentially, we're sharing all the users' information in one single account, which shouldn't be the case. But yes, here it'll be fixed right now. And yeah, that's essentially the idea. It's just a little fun little project I wanted to do. It took me around 3-4 hours using Replit to do it. I think it's quite fun. I'll make sure that this is fixed as well, where the final, well, one vendor cannot see what the other vendor is, inactive and sold. This is a bit of a mistake on my end, but I will fix that and I'll keep you posted. Hello. Actually, I just went back and fixed it, so now you should be able to see that users are not able to see each other's products, or vendors are not able to see each other's products, essentially. So let's check this. Okay, cool. So that's fine. That's good. So you can see my barcode. This is right because this is all this person's barcode. That's good to know. That okay. Yes, I know. I'm just using a super simple password. That's why it's creating this issue. But yes, my barcodes, and it's still there. What? That doesn't look right. Okay, now it's fixed. I just needed to refresh the page. What? It shouldn't be there. Let's do one more account. So let's try that. So let's register an account. Again, I don't use emails or anything. You can just create your own account with just a login ID, whatever you want. So barcode 1. And then my barcodes. So you can see, you cannot see other people's barcodes. So great. Thank you. Bye. I actually realized I didn't share the site, so it's called vendorpov.com, and I will put the links below as well. Thank you.